Meaning of disinformation.
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 Disinformation. Disinformation refers to intentionally spreading false or misleading information with the intention of deceiving others.
The result of disinformation can be detrimental to individuals, organizations, or even countries.
It can cause misunderstandings, confusion, and ultimately undermine trust and credibility.
Disinformation campaigns can lead to social and political instability and can have far-reaching consequences. In today's digital age, disinformation can spread quickly and widely through social media and other online platforms, making it more important than ever to be vigilant and fact-check information before sharing it.